Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Yas Medical Center. I have appointment with my cardiology doctor today. Oh, the water fountain is on. More than 2 months I did not come back here. This is the Sitani building here in Action. Yes,